This is Comal at Chileno Bay Resort and Residences. Voted the top restaurant in Los Cabos, Comal is a wonderfully inventive restaurant located at Auberge Resort in Chileno Bay. Here's where to find Cabo's most innovative takes on regional flavors and traditions, like braised short rib with cacao broth, set against a contemporary indoor-outdoor space spread across 3 levels in dramatic Sea of Cortez backdrop. Come early and enjoy cocktails prepared meticulously by Osvaldo Vazques and his mixologists. Executive Chef Yvan Mucharraz finds joy in guests gathered around his inspired takes using the freshest local catch, from giant totoaba to sea bass, telling their own stories and creating taste memories that linger long after they've left Chileno Bay. It might be challenging to leave room for a delightful dessert, but do try. Pastry chef Devin Mcdavid has a gift for his craft. Watch the colors of the sunset over the Sea of Cortez while dining at one of the top restaurants in Mexico. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just delighting another day in paradise, Comal will elevate your Cabo experience. Comal at Chileno Bay Resort is a hotel restaurant that is worthy of its praise. Be sure to make a reservation and tell them that Cabo's Finest sent you. Thank you for watching. This is brought to you by Cabo's Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos.